Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talk Tuesdays. Today, we're giving you a full tour of our service department, so you know exactly what happens from the moment you arrive until your vehicle is ready to hit the road. Let's go! This is the main entrance to our service department. Whether you're here for routine maintenance or a bigger repair, we're ready to take care of you. And yes, we make it easy. When you pull into our service lane, one of our friendly service advisors will greet you, check you in, and go over any concerns you might have. And for our Chevy owners, don't forget, we have a separate express service building designed just for quick jobs like oil changes and tire rotations. No appointment necessary. Now let's take you behind the scenes. Ever wonder what happens during an oil change? Here's the inside scoop. Our factory-trained technicians start by draining out the old oil, swapping out your oil filter, and refilling with fresh, manufacturer-recommended oil. This keeps your engine running smoothly and extends the life of your vehicle. Next up, tire rotation. Why do we rotate your tires? Simple. It helps your tires wear evenly, improves handling, and extends their lifespan. Our team follows a precise pattern based on your vehicle's drivetrain to keep you driving safely. Back in the advisor write-up area, your advisor keeps you updated through every step, whether you're waiting here or dropping off. We believe in full transparency. No surprises, just great service. And if you decide to wait, our lounge is set up to keep you comfortable. Grab a coffee, log into the Wi-Fi, and relax while we handle the rest. So that's your behind-the-scenes look at our service department. From the moment you drive in to the final check, we're here to keep your vehicle in top shape and get you back on the road as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching Tech Talk Tuesdays. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and join us next week for more tips and insights to keep your vehicle running its best. See you then!